Let me ask you something. Has your monitoring ever said everything was absolutely fine whilst your users were clearly stuck? Because if this has happened to you, you're not alone, and you're definitely not crazy. Most monitoring gives you an answer, but sometimes it's the wrong answer to the wrong question. Your dashboard says everything is healthy, checks are passing, response times look stable. This is the part that really messes with your head. You're staring at a green dashboard, everything looks fine, but something feels off, and you can't immediately prove why. Yet users are stuck. A website can return a perfectly valid response while delivering the wrong experience. This is where people confuse uptime with usability. They sound similar, but they measure very different things. An error page, a cache maintenance screen, a login redirect, a partially loaded application, a broken state that still technically loads. From the service perspective, everything worked. From the user's perspective, it really didn't. And this isn't some rare edge case. This happens during partial outages, updates, caching changes, deployments. The site technically loads, but it isn't usable. Monitoring confirms availability, but availability doesn't guarantee usability. A 200 status code doesn't mean the right content appeared. It doesn't mean a critical element rendered. It doesn't mean the intended journey completed. It just means something responded. Most checks are asking, did something respond? But what you're really asking is, did the right thing happen? When monitoring only checks for a response, it can confidently report success, while users are effectively blocked. That's how teams end up hearing about issues from customers instead of alerts. And this is usually the moment teams realise something very uncomfortable. The monitoring wasn't wrong, it just wasn't complete. Not because monitoring failed, but because it never checked for meaning in the first place. Uptime tells you the door is unlocked, but it doesn't tell you whether what's inside is usable. And that is the blind spot. And the good news? This is absolutely fixable. You just need monitoring that looks for meaning, not just a response. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how teams achieve this.